Joining us this Philippine, we have two very special guests, Mr. Rajiv Shukla, who is the Vice President of the BCCI, and Mr. Rohan Jaitley, who is the President of DNCA. Now, Rohan, I want to start with you. There's been a real rise in domestic cricket, and we see players that are playing in DPL, like tournaments, go into a rise into IPL and then Indian cricket. I'd love to know your thoughts on that.
See, I feel that in regard to when we talk about the domestic cricket, there are limited opportunities. Every state has a larger, vast pool of players that are available, be Delhi, be UP, be other states in North India. And the dream goal for everyone to play for the state is somewhat hampered because of the limited spots that are available. And when you have premier leagues happening in different states, and I would say that Delhi and UP are two monumental leagues that have come around in the last few years, and you have a larger number of teams, a larger number of spots, and a larger number of opportunities to showcase your talent at a greater level. And if you're able to perform, we had Priyansh Arya last year, we had Digvesh last year. They performed over here, and they actually got a call up to the IPL this year, and they did justify the reason why they were picked in that auction, and they're doing well for themselves.
Rajiv, I want to ask you that there are so many players, like Rohan sir also said, that there are players like Pranch, Ara, Dikvesh Rathi, Suvir Sharma, for the Pana Harshit Rama also will be playing for Asia Cup as well. So there are so many players which DPL has produced, and with the emergence of all these state leagues, they are giving this platform to all these players to rise and shine. And of course, they are proving themselves as well. We are getting our future stars. What do you have to say?
Well, at the outset, we were against these state leagues. We thought this idea won't work, this concept won't work. So it was started by Tamil Nadu, later on followed by Karnataka Confederation. But at BCCI, we were against of it. But later on, we realized that it's the biggest supply chain or pipeline for budding talents. They can be, showcased at the international level, at the national level. So now these leagues are proving to be very beneficial as far as the Indian cricket is concerned. I mean, DDCA, they have produced, the Delhi League, they have produced lot many good players. Last year, two editions in UP, and our 14 players were picked up for IPL. So all these IPL franchise, they send their scouting team, and then you know, they take stock of the performance, stock execution of those players who are playing there. Then they take them into IPL team. So it's a big, opening for all, new talent, budding talent to make it to the national level.
And I feel it's also an opportunity that since the window that's given by the board for the leagues to happen is right before the domestic season and after the IPL. So you have this nice 3 month window where you're obviously concerned about the rains, but it also gives an opportunity to the serious players who are playing to get into a pre-season preparatory camp. So they are all in the prime of their health and condition and their performance when the domestic season kicks in. So it's a very good precursor preparatory mechanism to the domestic season also, which comes back.
Right, it's the pre-board to the main board exam.
Yes.
Well, domestically, cricket has really become a major revenue stream for state associations. I'd love to know your take on this.
Well, that's not our focus. Making money out of these leagues is not our focus. The focus is that you provide an opportunity to underserved players to showcase their talent. And secondly, former players. Not many former players, retired players, they get employment. They get engaged in various, farms and various roles. So basic idea is to help cricketers. So making money or making revenue is not our focus while running these state leagues.
Scouting good level talent.
Yeah, scouting talent and then helping the players and former players as well as the current.
Absolutely, yes. And also, sir, I would like to ask you, how do you see this feature of domestic leagues and also TPL?
See, I see domestic leagues coming across multiple states in a bigger way because when you've got states like UP, Delhi, Mumbai, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and the others that have put their leagues out there, and when you see them consistently over year after year doing much more than what they were earlier on, you will end up realizing that it is an exceptionally good platform for players to showcase, to for the talent to actually overshadow the performances versus the non-performance, and you get to see it on a real-time professional scale. And once you're able to do that ambit, you will realize that many states are going to follow suit in order for it to be an opportunity for them to come into mainstream cricket at the end of the day.
Yes.
Rohan, what makes DPL so special and stand out, do you feel, against the rest?
See, I feel that the Delhi Premier League, we've been maintaining a very healthy ecosystem with players actually being 100% committed to show what they have to showcase themselves for. And once the mindset of the players is in the right direction, a tournament is bound to be successful. So we've got great team owners who are very supportive of their teams. They're running a very healthy ecosystem. You've got players who are committed to the team to make sure that they do the best for themselves and for the team as a united forum together. And as administrators, it's always a good opportunity to make sure that when the two are together, you have a great product being delivered at the end of the day.
What
Sure,
are the
go for it.
challenges? So the biggest challenge before us is to fill the ground, fill the stadiums, to attract the spectators.
And how do you
So
think
that's a major challenge. We'll have
No,
to
and-
find out some solution.
No, in fact, now that
IPL stadiums are packed. Bilateral matches stadiums are packed. In state leagues, that's a major problem.
how do you
So
think
we'll have to find out a
see,
solution.
I
I think we'll have to contact schools, colleges, and
absolutely.
and we'll have to
What happens
tie
is
up with
that
them, and then they bring
because what happens is what Shuklaji is saying is absolutely right. Crowds is always a challenge because what happens is in an IPL, you have multi cities, multi venues, games after every few days. So
international players.
you have and you have
Everybody come to
international
see.
players from different countries, and while in a domestic league you're restricted to grounds, and there are multiple games every day, and it's on for a whole month for a period of 3 to 4 weeks. And luckily, since compared to last season to this season, we're seeing higher number of people coming in. We're also seeing higher revenue sales happening. So it's obviously an opportunity where we're seeing people are getting interested, but we obviously have to get into further active engagements where a lot more young generation comes in to see what is there to offer in order to for them to pursue and enjoy the league the most.
Definitely, because here the level of cricket is outstanding, and that we of course want the audience to come and join us for all these games. So thank you so much, both of you, for joining us.
Thanks.
Before we end this, I would like both of you to please address the audience and say something to them in Hindi so that they come and join us and we don't face the challenges of
क्रिकेट के प्रेमियों, मैं यही अपील करूंगा कि जितनी भी स्टेट लीग्स हो रही हैं, सब क्रिकेटर्स को बढ़ावा दे रही हैं. नए नए क्रिकेटर जो उदीयमान खिलाड़ी हैं उनको मौका दे रही है. आप स्टेडियम इन्हें देखने आइए और इनका हौसला बढ़ाइए और इनको प्रोत्साहित करिए. यही मैं कह सकता हूँ.
जी.
नमस्कार. देखिए, दिन में आजकल विमेन के मैचेस हैं, शाम को मेन क्रिकेट के मैचेस चल रहे हैं और ये 31 अगस्त तक चलेंगे, जिसमें मेंस का फाइनल है और 24 अगस्त को विमेन का फाइनल है. और मेरी बस यही दरख्वास्त है कि सारे क्रिकेट प्रेमी स्टेडियम आए, मैचेस देखें और ये यंगस्टर्स जो खेल रहे हैं इसका एक लुत्फ उठाइए और देखें जो कि कल को भारत देश के लिए जाके खेलेंगे, उनको आज आप एक यंगर स्टेज पे देखिए, वो अपनी स्टेट के लिए और एक प्रीमियर लीग में कैसे खेलते हैं, परफॉर्म करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Yes, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it because it's not about cricket, it's entertainment. Thank you so much. Thank you.
thank you guys?
Thank you.